Hello, welcome to Nana's Journey. I'm Deanna, and we are coming towards the end of the Blueberry Delight quilt. We're not at the end. It's by Bunny Hill Designs, and block 10 is this piece right down here along the bottom. So this is block 10. And instead of putting the background together in one long strip, I'm going to do it in pieces. I'm going to put this part together. So these three pieces are going to be put together. These two pieces are going to be put together, and then these two. And that will make it easier to maneuver the applique in the sewing machine. And then when those are done, I'll just sew them together. So let me get the background put together, and then we can start with the applique. I am going to have to do a little bit of stitching for the stems here, so we'll have to mark that. But this fabric is sterling blue, and I don't remember even where I got this one from. This is Lewis and Irene. This is Lori Holt from B Plaid. And I don't remember where I got this one, but it looks like Lori Holt or Camilla Ross Kelly. So let me get those put together, and I will be back. Okay, I have the pieces put together. Now this one will have this bird right here, and this is the one we're going to have to mark. Remember when you trace your heat and bond light to turn the paper over so that it's mirrored, so that when you put the bird down, it's going the right direction. So this is a Crystal Lane fabric, Nantucket Summer. I think that's Dwell. Those are the two cherries or berries or whatever. And there's a leaf. That's Crystal Lane. Okay, and this one's got the bird on a hill with a flower. So we've got the hill. This is Nantucket Summer. I don't know about this one. This, I think, is Laundry Basket Quilts. It's Nantucket Summer, these three are Nantucket Summer. And I don't know if you can see this one. This is Crystal Lane. These are the leaves. And then we've got the flowers with their centers. Oh, the leaves go to the other one. This is Laundry Basket Quilts. I don't know. I think that's Dwell and Crystal Lane. So that's where the fabrics come from. Let me get these cut out, and then we will get this stitching drawn on so that I can stitch it, and then we can applique. Okay, I have the pieces cut out. And now I need to draw these stems right here. I do just want to mark that right there for placement. And I'm left-handed, so I don't know if I can do this without you. I'm going to start in there. Come here. Come this far. These X's on there, I'm not going to do. And then the bird's beak goes right here. This is a friction pin. It irons off. So let me get to the sewing machine and get these stitches on. Okay, I have on my machine, I have a Bernina 780. Stitch number 6 is what I call a triple stitch. It goes down 2, back 1, down 2, back 1, down 2. So each stitch has 3 passes on it. So that's what I'm going to use instead of embroidering the stem. Okay, now that we've got our stitches on there, I'm going to put the bird on. I marked the front and put the beak where the stem is. You just want to tear off your heat and bond light, or peel it off, and then you can iron it on. All the other pieces I've already taken the heat and bond off so that you didn't have to watch me do that. And then this goes right here. Okay, that block is ready. This one will be easy. These flowers are not square, they're kind of rectangle. So be careful of that, because you can tell there's a difference. So that one's probably good. Okay, and I just eyeball them. I don't want it to look absolutely perfect. Okay. And this one, supposed to insert the bottom of the heel into the seam allowance, so that goes right at the bottom. And I could have done a better job picking out the fabric for the bird, but I didn't pick them all out at the same time, so I didn't know what was going where. But the applique outline will help the bird stand out. And then I've lost the stem. Okay, just a minute. Okay, I found it. And that goes close to the bird, which is why the bird is there. There we go. Okay, everything is ironed on and ready to applique. So let's get to the sewing machine and get that going. Okay, I forgot to mention this earlier, but if you want to know how to do the heat and bond light, I go over that in video 1. And some of the fabrics also. So I will link that video in the description box below. I have got my presser foot on that allows for a zigzag and is clear so that I can see what I'm doing. I would prefer an open toe one, but I don't have one of those. I've got the zigzag on a width of 2.0 and a length of 0.70. And I do like to bring up my bobbin tail. I forgot my knee press to lift my presser foot. Okay, this is how I'm going to applique all the rest of the pieces. When I am done with that, I will be back. Okay, I've got the applique on and I joined the 3 pieces together. So there's that. Then there's these pieces. And there's the bird. See how it shows up much better once it's been outlined. So now I just have to join this to the bottom of this row here. Okay, I have the bottom, everything is attached. I'm sorry I don't have a good way to show you the whole quilt. It's not a real big quilt, but we still have the borders to go, and that will be next time. So I want to thank you for joining me, and I hope you'll join me next time on Nana's Journey.